All right, we're gonna go on a quick test drive. We have 28,755 miles on the odometer. Now, if you see any flickering here, that's just in camera. That is not in person. You can see some of this kind of going crazy. It's a non-smoker. This interior is absolutely gorgeous. Love the color combo. Okay, we are in sport mode. Shift super smooth. Alignment feels good. Steering wheel's nice and straight. Doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. Really no complaints with the drivability. Drives perfect. Everything's solid, no complaint. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. At the wheel, that's just something kind of stuck on the wheel there, a little dirt. But we do have rash right here, all the way down. So you're going to see that. Now that can be repaired and look a lot better. The rest of that wheel looks good. Beautiful paint. You can see the depth in here looks awesome. Love the pearl. Bottom side looks good. A-pillar's clean. Couple light spots where like bugs kind of etched into the clear, otherwise looks really good. Just kind of scanning the door. I do see a dent right there. That's nice and pretty. There's a dent here and it did chip the paint. Lower side looks good, the rest of that's nice. Quarter panel, all that's super clean. Here on this wheel, looking for any rash. Very light rash right there and there. The rest of the wheel looks good though. No window tint here, and nothing on the front windshield, so all OEM. Headlight looks good. Typical rock impacts on this front end, all very subtle so far. Little chip there, little chip there and there. You have a couple spots where like bugs kind of etched into the clear, so you're gonna see some of that like residue left over. It's very subtle. And looking right here, you do have a little dimple there. And typical rock impacts. Here's a couple more chips there. You have a larger chip right here. Rest of that fender, that looks good. Here on this wheel, we have a large chip right there. Looks like a rock got a hold of it pretty good. I'm sure there's a couple more small ones here and there, but that's the one that stood out. Lower side looks good. Rest of that door's clean. Mirror looks nice. A-pillar looks good. Got the massive panoramic roof. Light scuff here. Looks like something kind of grazed the paint there. If you can see that. A couple small chips out of it. Got a chip right there also. Got a chip there. Lower side looks good. Quarter panel looks nice. Here on this wheel, you have some rash right there. Looking at the lower side, that's good. The rest of that wheel looks awesome. Here on the back bumper, you do have some little abrasions right there from something kind of scuffing it while they got it out of the cargo area. It's pretty subtle, but it is there. The rest of that looks good. Taillights are clean, bumper. Everything else looks really nice. Beautiful, beautiful paint. Checking out the interior, it is a non-smoker. Got the memory seating here. All those buttons are clean. Looking at that handle, little snag right there. Lower section looks good. That trim looks nice. I do see a gash right there. Floor mat's clean. A little bit of transfer here. It's very subtle, you know, from jeans or just clothing. but you're gonna get that with this color interior. It's very subtle though. The rest of that looks nice. Bottom looks good. Here on the steering wheel, a couple light scuffs. Still has a nice matte finish to it. There's a light scuff right there. All very subtle. All of this looks good. Upper side of the dash is clean. That screen looks nice. Now with this gloss black stuff, you're gonna have very light kind of micro scratches. That's gonna be pretty much on every single one I have ever seen. It's all very subtle. Other than that, this interior looks amazing. All right, checking out that door panel. Overall, really nice. A little marking here, a little marking there, otherwise clean. Looking at the trim, you do have a large gash there and there. Carpets look amazing. A little bit of transfer from probably jeans or something on the edge, but it's very subtle. You do have a little marking right there. The rest of that seat looks amazing. Console on this side looks good. You do have a little gash right there, a couple indentions. Lower side looks nice. Upper section looks good. Here on the back right door panel, looks really nice. Looking at the seats, I don't see any other flaws here so far. Seat backs look good. Carpets are clean, and the seats look like they are heated. Right there. Here on that door panel, looks amazing. That trim looks good. Those seats look awesome as well. It looks like no one really ever sat back here. And then here on this top section, a couple markings. A few on the metal there. A little marking there, but otherwise, all of that's really nice. Carpets are clean. And the liner here looks like it's popping out of that trim. See how this is nice and tucked, and that popped out. All right, scanning through the engine bay. Looks really good. All the plastics are nice and clean. Here on the underhood liner, a little bit of wear around the edges. Typical stuff, but otherwise in great condition.